This is a 2009 Nissan Rogue, and this is how you change and locate the spark plugs and the coil packs. This is what the coil packs look like on this vehicle. It's a 4-cylinder, so there's going to be, looking at the vehicle, coming in from the passenger, cylinder 1, 2, 3, and then cylinder 4, where that bolt is going to be underneath the airbox. The airbox is easy to take out. There will be 2 bolts here holding on a bracket here. You can remove this hose, which is connected into the valve cover, and then you can undo that bolt and then pull this straight up to get to cylinder 4. So the firing order on this vehicle is 1, 3, 4, 2. 1, 3, 4, 2 is the firing order. And then, so you gotta disconnect the battery and then undo your clips for each individual one and remove the 10 bolt and then pull this up. And then underneath this, that's where the spark plug will connect to the coil pack. So then on this, you're going to want to set your gap to 0.044. That's where your gap's going to want to be. Get that right in the center. So once you have this pulled up, your spark plug will be down there. And then on this is a nice thing to use for the spark plug. It's got this. This is a 5/8, but you're gonna need a bigger. You're gonna need a 9/16, not this one, because this one doesn't fit over it. See, like on this one's smaller. That bolt's smaller than that one, so you need a different. Make sure that you're using the right spark plug socket, because there's 2 different sizes that they can be, and then you want to make sure your threading's correct. So then if you're getting codes like P301, the 302 will relate to each individual thing. So then you're just gonna pull each one up and then gap your thing and then put the battery back on, and then you should be all good to go. This is the 2.5 liter Nissan Rogue. Coil packs, spark plug location. Pretty straightforward change. Just get that air box out of the way.